Hello everyone, so this is the hairstyle I decided to wear today, and this is pretty much the same unit that I had on last week. I didn't do anything to it. The only thing I did was I took it off, I moisturized my hair underneath, and I put it back on, and I've been sleeping in it. I haven't been doing anything to my hair. I just tied up with my satin bonnet and get up and shake and go. That's pretty much all I've been doing. So yeah, so I decided to wear it again this week. I'm going to wear it one more week, and then I'll probably will be changing my hair the week after. Basically, I'm going to be trying to keep protective styles in for a while, different protective styles, and for the next few months or so. I'm trying to wear each one about 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks before I go into a different one. So this one is, that I have on now, this is like week 2. So I got one more week I'm going to wear this, and then I'm going to change my hair again. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do next, but you'll see. The outfit that I have on today, I have on this kind of like a coral dress. It's kind of orange coral, somewhat, dress. I've worn it once before, but it's been a very, very, very long time since I wore this dress. I actually forgot I had it. And I said in a video, I think in the old video, that in the center of the dress is like a crochet pattern, somewhat, and it's see-through. But I'm getting ready to head to church today, so I just put a wide belt on top of to cover that part up. And then if I was going just out, I wouldn't wear it. But I'm going to church. I don't like to be all out like that going to church. So I put on this wide silver belt, which you see in pictures at the end of this video. The jewelry that I have on, the earrings that I have on, these are some earrings that I blinged out myself. And I did a video on this a long time ago. It's floating around on YouTube somewhere. But I'll see if I can find it. And I'll put the link in the info box. But these are the earrings. And the necklace that I have on is actually the Tweety Bird charm necklace. I haven't worn this necklace in a very long time, and I don't know. Let me see. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. So yeah. So the necklace that I have on, I haven't worn this in a very long time, and I can't remember if I did an actual tutorial on this, but I think I went through what I actually did to it in a video, and it's posted on YouTube as well, and I put the link to that video also in the info box. But I haven't worn it in a while. I decided to wear it today. And you can see it's still holding up. I actually forgot I had made this and had it. I just happened to go through my jewelry box and I happened to run across, and I'm like, okay, it's silver and it has orange in it, and then yellow brings out a different color to my outfit, so I decided to wear it today. I love this charm. I don't know why I forgot about I had it, but I love Tweety, so y'all know. But anyway, on this hand I have just this gold and diamond ring my husband brought me. This hand I have a ring that my sister purchased for me, probably at a local beauty supply store, I don't remember. And I also have on this orange and white bracelet that I purchased at It's Fashion Metro a very, very long time ago. I also have on like some coral fishnet stockings, which you will see in pictures at the end of this video. If I didn't take pictures, I'll post pictures somewhere at the end of this video. The shoes that I'm wearing today are these. And I was going to wear these silver sequins peep toe shoes that I had, that I put a ribbon inside, and they were so tall, and my dress is not very long, so I don't know, I just didn't like the way it looked, so I decided to wear these instead. These are the shoes I'm wearing, and I actually put the bling on these shoes myself. I didn't bling them out all over, they're just lightly blinged. I did the entire back of the heel, and then the rest of the shoe was just outlined pretty much. And I can't remember where I purchased these from. I think I got these off Amazon. I believe. I think. I can't remember. But anyway, they're really comfortable. These are a 7.5. Sometimes I get 6.5. Sometimes I get 7. Sometimes I get 7.5. So it all depends. But these are 7.5. I think they run a little small, but they fit perfectly. They're really comfortable. So I decided to wear these today. And the handbags that I'm taking today, I decided to take my silver sequins handbag, this one, which I haven't even switched purses yet, and I still haven't did anything to this purse to make it stiff. I keep saying I am, but I haven't got around to doing it yet. I don't know, I have so much to do, and I don't think about doing it until I get ready to take the handbag, and then I'm like, man, I should have made it stiffer, but oh well. So I decided to take that handbag today. I was going to take this one, but it's a completely different color than my dress, and I'll show it to you. Okay, so I was going to take this one today. It's orange and silver. But it's completely different from my dress, as you can see. But this will match another orange dress that I have that I'm going to be taking, that I'm going to wear when it gets a little hotter because it's short sleeves. And I took this purse one time, and the only thing, I love this handbag. The only thing I hate about it is that it doesn't have any snap, any zipper, any nothing. It has nothing, absolutely nothing in it. It's just, you just put your stuff in it. And I hate that. But I did purchase these zippers off Amazon, and this one is long enough. It's orange. And I'm going to add the zipper into the purse. I'll do a video on it when I get ready to do it. I just haven't got around to doing it yet. I'm going to add this into the purse so it'll zip up when I do it. And also, when I ordered the zippers, which I know this is totally like random, but when I ordered the zippers, all of these came with it in different colors. So who knows, I might get into making dresses and end up using these because they're really long. They're long zippers, really long. You can see how long it is. This is probably almost a yard long. It's not quite a yard, but it's almost 1 yard long. So it's really long. And they, like I said, it came in a bundle, and I got all of these colors in there. I forget how many it is, but I got all of them at one time. So I'll use them eventually. I know me. Eventually, I'll use them on something. So yeah. So when I get ready to do the video on that handbag, but I add the zipper in it, I'll do a tutorial on it, and I'll post it somewhere. I don't know when I'm going to get around to it. It's probably going to be a while before I be able to get around to it, because I'm not going to wear the dress to summertime anyway, so I still got a long while before I actually do it. So yeah, so that is basically it for this video. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.